The P0051 code indicates a HO2S heater control circuit low issue on bank 2 sensor 1. This sensor is crucial for monitoring exhaust oxygen levels to optimize the air-fuel mixture. Bank 2 refers to the side of the engine containing cylinder 2, and sensor 1 is the upstream sensor before the catalytic converter. The low designation signifies insufficient voltage or excessive current draw in the heater circuit, preventing the sensor from reaching its optimal operating temperature. The heated oxygen sensor needs to reach a specific temperature of around 600 to 800 degrees Fahrenheit or 315–427 degrees Celsius to function accurately. The heater circuit helps the sensor reach this temperature quickly, especially during cold starts. Without a properly functioning heater, the sensor can take longer to provide accurate readings, leading to poor fuel economy, increased emissions, and potential engine performance issues like rough idling or misfires. Several symptoms can indicate a P0051 code. These include a check engine light illuminated on the dashboard. Decreased fuel economy can also occur. A rough running engine or rough idle may be noticeable. Increased exhaust emissions, which could lead to failing an emissions test. And in some cases, potential catalytic converter damage if the problem is left unaddressed. Begin by visually inspecting the wiring and connectors associated with bank 2 sensor 1. Look for signs of corrosion, damage, or loose connections. Check the sensor's harness for frayed or broken wires. Also, inspect the relevant fuses to ensure they are not blown. Use an OBD2 scanner to confirm the P051 code and record freeze frame data. To diagnose the P0051 code, use a multimeter to test the voltage at the sensor connector. Check your vehicle's service manual for the pinout, typically pin 3 or 4. You should see approximately 12 volts. Also check the resistance of the sensor's heater circuit. A normal resistance value is between 2 and 20 ohms when the sensor is cold. An open circuit, showing infinite resistance, or a short circuit with very low resistance, indicates a faulty sensor or wiring issue. If the wiring and connectors are in good condition, the most likely cause of P0051 is a faulty HO2S itself. Replace the bank 2 sensor 1 with a new OEM quality sensor. Ensure the replacement sensor is compatible with your vehicle's make and model. After replacing the sensor, clear the P0051 code using an OBD2 scanner and monitor the vehicle to ensure the code does not return. In rare cases, the P0051 code can stem from a faulty engine control module, or ECM. This should be considered only after checking all wiring, connectors, and replacing the sensor itself. Software glitches within the ECM can sometimes cause this error code to appear. In newer vehicles, over-the-air updates for the ECM can resolve P0051 issues without needing a shop visit, according to 2025 data. If ECM problems are suspected, it's crucial to consult a qualified mechanic or dealer for proper diagnosis and repair.